it's Joel. I'm at Smurf with my friend Melissa. Hey.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. So Melissa is with CookieCAD.
Yes.
Obviously, and there's a good reason I'm holding this spool, right?
Yeah. We had a lot of interest in bringing our colors to TPU, and so we did it.
You did it!
Brought our beautiful colors to a new material. So we
Can I crack this open?
Yes. Let's get it
TPU.
open,
Well,
show everyone.
CookieCAD is historically known for having brilliant colors that print really well.
Beautiful gradients, shimmers.
Funfetti.
Yes. That's cute.
With the hi-fi blue hair, but
Yeah.
funfetti, right? Okay, I'm gonna put Mini Joe right there
Yeah,
because
he looks good.
this is TPU right here.
Yes. It's
Okay,
a
I'm just gonna
gradient.
Put that right there.
TPU,
Look at that.
so this is our most popular color. So we started with our top 4
This is called Unicorn.
favorites. This is Unicorn.
Okay.
So it looks like this, but it's squishy.
Wait a
and
minute.
it's bendy and it's flexy. So it can be used in fashion, in toys. They won't break when you drop them. It can be used for combat robotics. And it goes back right to
That's
how
right,
it was.
combat robotics. You know, Angus over at Maker's Muse, he's
Yes.
really good with the little tiny little fighter robots. And he's done videos talking about flexible materials and how resilient they are to the hits of other robots.
Yes.
And so now with CookieCAD material, we can have really
Yes.
cool looking combat robots.
And Alan Mandic from Mandic really built the first CookieCAD Death Racer. Actually came in second, which is pretty good.
Oh, congrats to him.
And he used our TPU for the treads.
For the treads. I
looks
saw that.
great.
It looked great. And he came in second.
Yeah.
Wow.
So high performing, really. Prints great.
So prints from this at the show like this, what was this printed on?
That was printed on the Bamboo A1.
Oh, the A1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Printed great, standard settings.
Yeah, it looks great. Well then, okay, I have to ask, because we're talking bamboo then, will this work in the AMS?
So I haven't tried in the AMS historically. They don't work very well, but we are working on an AMS version of TPU.
Oh, okay. So experiment at home if you must. In the meantime, you're working on something that you know will be compatible with the AMS.
Yes, and it won't come out if it doesn't work well in the printer and it doesn't perform to CookieCAD quality.
Only the best.
And I see you've listed it at 95A for your shore hardness.
Yes.
Right? Are you looking at coming out with other shore hardness material?
If there's interest, we are open to it. We've recently added ABS, we have PETG, and we have silk and standard PLA. So we're not against, any interest. We're here for it.
That's quite a catalog you got. Because originally this was all to support the CookieCAD, the CAD part. You wanted material to print those, right?
Yeah. So I was selling cookie cutters.
Yeah.
And I wanted pretty filament so that my cookie cutters looked pretty when they were selling. So that's where CookieCAD started. And now we've gotten interest from the Voron community for printers. So we do ABS. We're looking into ASA now.
Really?
Because people are interested in ASA. We listen to our customers because they're the ones that we want to support. We're very big into the community, and so we want to be there for them.
That's nice.
And they're here for us.
ASA is a great idea because if we're talking about prints that are going to be UV stable outside,
Yes.
people are going to want their colors. And with CookieCAD colors now being UV stable outside, okay, well, ASA not yet, but working on it.
Yeah, we're interested.
Well, and one more question. I know we're kind of short on time here, and I know a lot of people want to stop by. A lot of interest in CookieCAD material here in the UK. We're here right now,
Yes.
but you partnered with someone to bring it here, right?
Yes, absolutely. Adam of Vector 3D, who's our neighbor at the show.
Oh, there he is.
He's
He's right over there. Right over there.
He'll be carrying CookieCAD in the next few weeks.
Okay, so in time for Christmas.
Maybe.
Ooh.
If you've been a good boy, Santa will bring it early.
Santa's coming.
Obviously, there's shipping concerns, and so
Yes.
yeah, but it's going to be here in the UK thanks to
Yes.
Vector 3D.
It's on the way, logistically, on the boats coming.
Cool. Well, listen, this is really exciting. I'm going to get some in studio to play with. I'm going to show you all sorts of
Absolutely.
really cool, flexible, colorful prints. I find that fascinating. But for now, Melissa, look at the camera and tell everybody where they can go to find out more about CookieCAD.
You can find out about CookieCAD at our website, cookiecad.com. We're also available in your local micro center, as well as Amazon.com.
And Vector 3D.
And well, we have plenty of resellers in the UK and the US. You can go to our website and see all our list of resellers.
There we go. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more and print all the flexible things. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. And as always, high five. You want one?
Absolutely.
Nailed it. Yes.